To enable Venmo request, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you do not have the Venmo app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app, create an account or log in to your existing account if you already have one. After logging in, tap on the menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. This will open a sidebar with various options, including Settings, Friends, and Help. Tap on Settings to proceed. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Payment Settings. This will take you to a page where you can configure your payment settings, including the option to enable Venmo requests. To enable Venmo requests, toggle the switch next to allow others to request money from you. This will allow your friends and other Venmo users to send you requests for money. You can also set a limit on the amount of money that can be requested from you. Additionally, you can customize your request settings by specifying who can request money from you. You can choose to allow requests from friends or from anyone on Venmo. Be cautious when allowing requests from anyone, as this may expose you to unwanted requests. Once you have enabled Venmo requests and customized your settings, tap on Done to save your changes. You will now be able to receive requests from others, and you can also send requests to your friends and other Venmo users. It is essential to note that enabling Venmo requests does not obligate you to accept every request you receive. You can review each request and choose to accept or decline it based on your discretion. It is also crucial to only send requests to people you trust, and to never send requests to strangers. By following these steps, you can enable Venmo requests and start using this convenient feature to request and send money to your friends and other Venmo users. Remember to always use Venmo responsibly and to follow best practices to protect your account and financial information.